Hello guys, welcome to Linux Joy channel. On October 16th, Elementary Group released their latest version, that is Juno. First, take a look. So this is distro watch page. You can find on 16th they released their new version, that is Elementary OS 5.0, that is Juno, and it is based on Ubuntu distribution, and they added some new features. In my previous video I told you how to download the IS1 and how to install this operating system on a virtual machine. So this is the latest version, and today's video we are going to do the same thing here, and we are going to see the new features what they are added. So let's get started. So this is the distro watch page. You can observe here, and the Elementary OS rank here you can find top 3 from last 6 months. And next we are going to see how to download the OS. Just go to Elementary OS. Yep. So click on the page. There is their website. So you can donate them, and like $10, $20, or else you can give any custom amount and you can donate them, but we are not going to do that today. We are just downloading the ISO. Just enter 0 amount and download Elementary. If you click this download option, the Elementary OS ISO file will be downloaded in your browser. If you click this magnet button, torrent magnet link, if you have any torrent client in your system, it will start to download that ISO with that client. So before that, okay, I already downloaded the ISO, so I'm not going to download this image once again. So before going to install, we have to see how to install this Elementary OS 5.0. That code name is Juno, and previously their version they used to give 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 and 0.4. The previous version is local, but from this version they changed it to 5.0, 0.4 to 5.0. Now the upcoming versions would be like 6.0, 7.0, like that. So here we can observe recommended system specification. So recent Intel i3 are compatible dual core processor. That should be 64-bit processor and 4 GB of system RAM. Solid state drive with 15 GB of free space, internet access, and this is recommended system specifications. And if you want to create one, if you want to check the ISO, here you can see how to check the ISO. So how to verify your downloaded ISO, and how to install. Choose your current operating system. Select the operating system you are currently using to view tailored installation instructions. So for example, Linux distribution. So here you can find, so open Unit boot from the dash, it will open you. So this is Unit boot. With the help of this application you can create bootable USB with that Elementary OS 5.0 ISO. So with the help of that you can install the operating system with USB drive or else flash drive, pen drive, like that. So I'm not going to show you how to do that, but in today's session we are going to install this operating system in virtual machine. So for that I open my VMware workstation, go to home and create a new virtual machine. Click on that. It's typical. Next. So I will install the operating system later. Click next. Linux. Guest operating system is Linux and the version is Ubuntu 64-bit. Click next. So you can give here name. So I'm giving Elementary 5.0 Juno. and you can change the location with browsing this file. So I'm not going to change anything. I just set the default location is enough, and click next. Store virtual disk as a single file, that is I'm always looking for. I'm not going to split the virtual disk. So here I can give 25 GB instead of 20. So, and after that click next. Go to customize hardware. So memory is 2 GB. This is virtual machine, so I can give 2 GB. That's enough for me. So processor, number of processor 2, number of cores I have 2, so I choose these 2. And new CD or DVD, use ISO image to boot the operating system. So I'm going to browse here, and this is my stable 5.0. I'm going to check that. Click on that and open. So network adapter settings are same, and sound card are also same. Printer, USB print, controller, display, everything you can leave as it is. Okay, just close and finish, and start up the guest operating system. Now it's booting. Good. And try to upgrade this Elementary OS 5.0 Juno from my previous version, but actually they are not providing any kind of option to upgrade from Loki to Juno, so it's kind of difficult to people who are already using this previous version. So I'm going to check this version in this virtual machine. If I find any interesting updates from them, so I'll take the backup from my previous version and I will install this Juno again in my laptop. That is everything I'm using here. Like the whole production environment is I'm using Elementary OS 0.4 Loki. So I'm going to check here. Okay, bootable page opened, and I didn't find anything here. Like press enter, just see only this wallpaper. Yep, here you can find only two options, that is try Elementary or install OS Elementary. So we are going to click try Elementary. What will we look here? I'm going to find, is there an option like they are providing upgrading from Loki to Juno. So that's what I choose, this option try Elementary. I didn't find anything here. Good. Simple applications. Code, cameras, Gport editor. So I think nothing. There is no option for upgrading. So I just simply select this install Elementary OS. It's taking some time, so I'll just simply pause the video and I'll get back to when the installation process is start. Hello guys, the installation process just start now. So choosing the language, that is English, continue. Keyboard layout English US and English US. Download updates while installing Elementary. Yes, I want to download and install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware and additional media formats. Okay, these are all your codecs, media codecs, and your Wi-Fi drivers and graphics drivers. So these two options should be checked and click next. Erase disk and install elementary. Yeah, I can use this option, or else if you want, if you are a pro user, you can use something else and you can create your own partition. But in this video, I'm just choosing this erase disk and install elementary as install. If you continue, these are the partitions it's showing. The partition table of the following devices are changed, and the following partitions are going to be formatted: partition 1 of SCSI 3 and as ext4. Okay, continue. The installation process will be start within, yeah, and this is my default location. It choose automatically, so click continue, and I have to give my name, that is Joy. You can have to choose the password. You can give whatever you want here. So require my password to login. Yes. Don't change anything here. Give your username and password. That's it. Continue. After this, the installation process is just started. So I'm going to pause this video. When the installation process complete, I'll get back. Hello guys, welcome back, and the installation process just completed and it's giving some kind of message here. Installation has finished. You can continue testing elementary now, but until you restart the computer and changes documents you save will not be preserved. So I'm not going to test it. I'm going to restart this operating system. So click on restart now. Now it's starting. I think I should have removed that ISO image before it's completely boot the operating system. And it will show that also on this login page. Have some patience, you can see that message here. Yeah, you can find here, please remove the installation media and press enter. So go to here and settings. Use your physical drive, save, and then press enter. In my previous video, you observed in 0.4 Loki version, when I am installing, I choose manual partition. So compared to that installation, this is very easy, and it took some less time to install the operating system. So that is the advantage of simply do the automatic installation. Here is the system disk and install clean operating system instead of choose your own partitions. That is the beauty here. So it's starting. First we need to install VMware tools to adjust the resolution and to get proper net connections, everything. So it started, and enter the password here, your login page here. Yes, first of all I am going to install Okay. Application terminal. Yes. First, we are going to install this. To run a command as administrator user, to use sudo command. So obviously, we have to use sudo apt-get install open -vm -tools -desktop. Yes. Click yes. It will take some time. So I'll skip this video. After the installation process completed, I'll get back to you. But here, yes, you can observe here, and you can minimize, and we have an update already. So let's check. So we are going to choose this option install. Then only we can find what are the updates are available. It's taking some time here. You can clearly observe here. Click on install 16 components with updates 3.2 MB. So right now I'm not going to update anything. So I'm just simply observing what are the new features are available here. So just click on this settings in terminal. So I can change the color of the terminal here like this, and this one also. So this is good option, and you can increase the font, I think so. Yep, very good. This is about the terminal. If you open the terminal, if you want to go to the black screen, you can observe, and this is some kind of white, and this is kind of different color here. That means you can change the terminal color, and you can maximize, minimize. Yes, maximize and minimize. So, and what else? FNE. This is the browser, and let's check. Welcome to web. I'm going to open a page. Google.com. FNE is good. This browser, their own browser. They created this browser. Oh, cool. Open YouTube here. I'm going to install one more thing. Nothing. It's an application that is juno system monitor. So sudo apt-get install juno-system monitor. Yes. And what is the use of this system monitor? I'm going to explain, and I will show you and how to check this. How much partition it took for your RAM, and how many processors they are running in the background, and everything it will show. So that is the use of this system monitor. And yeah, that was quick. Minimize the terminal and close FNE. One second. Close FNE. minimize the terminal here. So go to applications, you can find system monitor. Yes. So these are the processors, they are running in the background, and resources, that means CPU load you can observe here, and memory and swap memory you can observe here. So I took memory, that is physical memory is 2 GB, and it automatically gave that 1.2 GB of its swap memory. That is okay. Actually, I think it should, the operating system automatically took the swap partition as 2 GB. So it didn't, no problem. File system here. There is only one directory, that is the top level directory here, slash. So 22% of space is already used and available is only 19.3. That's okay, no problem. If you click here, search for open files, preferences, file system. Free space also I want to see, so that's one good option here. Close. So the whole thing you can observe. So what is the device and the directory and the type of the file system, total GB of your hard disk capacity, and how much you have the free space, and what is the available space, and what is the user space you can observe here. So these are the two things when I install this operating system. First one is VMware tools, and after that I use system monitor to monitor the system resources and file system, and observe the load and net connectivity, like that. And these are the default applications. Music, so I don't find much difference here, like the music app is looking like the same in the Loki, and videos also, I thought yes, but in App Center I found that they are going to give some different options here, like these interface changed, like these, they used to have some big, I can show you simply here, like I'm using elementary Loki. So you can observe this is the App Center, and I will find these icons are decreased, like here. Categories icons are decreased, like you can observe here. To launch it, see some kind of improvements here. Minimize and go to system settings. Everything is same. Applications, desktop, language, security and privacy. About, go to about. You can observe here version and built on Ubuntu and 18.0 for LTS. This is the kernel version, and it is the theme GTK plus 3.22.30. My machine name and my processor and RAM. This is physical RAM 2.0 GB and 26.3 GB hard disk. So I didn't find much difference here. So everything is same as usual. Calendar here. Yep, you can schedule your tasks here, and you can click here also, you can find the calendar, and here you can find the net connections and updates. You will have the don't disturb option also. Sound settings, and categories wise I want to see graphics, photos. Internet Office, there is an Office programs programming. Yeah, previously they used to have Scratch. Now they are changed this Scratch to code. So for your text files. So that is one of the change. And sound and video camera. Take photos and videos with your webcam. And system tools, App Center, files, multitasking view, system settings, and terminal. I don't find much difference here, but they are looking very same. And one more thing, we are going to see the desktop. They introduced some kind new wallpapers here, like this one. This is great. I feel you can see. It isn't changed, I think so. Dock option also, you can choose small dock or normal dock or large dock. And choose. I always big fan of this normal dock only. Don't find hot corners. You can configure the corners here, like you can multitasking to maximize current window, show applications menu, like you can customize your corners, but I'm not going to do that. This is the wallpaper I want to apply, but F5 to refresh. Okay, this is somewhat stuck here. Maybe I need to restart. Shut down. Restart once again. So I'm going to pause this video. After restart, we will see. Once again, we are going to check this operating system. Control Alt Enter to maximize the screen. Yep, that's it. So F1 is browser, and this is multitasking view, and mail for your mail client. Applications, you can simply see in categorized view also, like accessories, graphics, internet, office, programming. Okay guys, this is, I want to show you how to install this Elementary OS 5.0 Juno, and I hope that you like this video. And in the next video I am going to show you what are the new features, and I will explain you clearly so what they added and what are the options we are going to look forward in this operating system. And I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on this like button, and as well as please share this video as many people as you can. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, and just click on that bell icon also. You will get the latest notifications from my channel.